started my preparation with the current affairs of the industry which I have chosen and for which I'll be going for the final placements. Other than current affairs, I was there preparing for all the theories which was taught in last year, which is in the first year of MBA, and all the marketing concept which had the implications in various domain and verticals. I chose to have the application with respect to my dream company.
The main criteria was to actually brush up the concepts of the basics, which is what they're gonna ask. And the next thing is defend your CV. As soon as we defend our CV, then the interview process maximum turns into in our position compared to the interviewer. The next thing which I prepared is going through the JDs carefully, making sure that I really fit into the organization, going through the skills and responsibilities which the company is going to offer to me. So I actually built a bridge between me, my skill sets, and the key responsibilities which the company needs. And finally, I'm really thankful to the UBS team for giving me such a great opportunity before really entering to the real interview process.
See, this is a simulation program which we are doing for all the MBA students, those who will appear for the final placement very soon, because we are planning to start the first phase of our placement drive in the second week of October. So this is a preparedness. We are planning that students should be ready when the corporate will come over here. So we would like to see right now that how much is their domain knowledge, how much they are prepared in terms of their group discussion and in terms of their grooming and their current affairs and all. So this is just a beginning. We are doing it so that we will come to know what is the level of the students. So it's a mock drill which we are doing it, and this, though it is a mock drill for you, but we have given you the real life experience altogether. So you have to treat it as one of the company who has come to the campus. So it's actually very good when they are very prepared at the early stage of the companies coming in.
I have tried to give the students a flavor of what it is going to be like when they face an interview. Many of you, we feel, have not faced your first interview, so it was to give you a feedback. That is number one. Number two, we have on the spot given you feedbacks to exactly what you should not have done. What you should have done, you are already doing. So that was the third thing. And thirdly, this report will go to every mentor, who in turn will then take up if there are shortfalls, if there are shortcomings, with each mentee and try to make them battle ready.
I think when there are mock interviews, it builds the confidence of the students. At the same time, they get an idea of what will be the probable, what they can expect at an interview. So honestly speaking, it's a one step in the right direction to prepare them for the actual interview.
I'm absolutely very happy with the execution part. The main vision was to know where our students stand, and once we know the gap between student and the industry, we will try to bridge in that gap by developing them on certain parameters like their domain knowledge, their skill development part, their personality. So this was the main focus that we work on. And coming back to how it came out, we were very happy with the output of it, because even student gave their 100% and they took the feedback very positively, and they have also started working on it. Like if I am weak in certain domain, they made sure that they read things around it, they are updated on current affairs, industry sectors. So this is the overall analysis that we got out of this entire mock placement interview drive.
My major learnings were that first of all, a student needs to handle a pressure really well, because they might know everything but still not be able to present themselves. I realized that how grooming is important and how the presentation of a person and their knowledge is crucial for any kind of interview.
My experience was good, so it helped me to understand on which industry I have to work more and where I was lagging, and on which concepts I have to work more to get on that industry. So at the end, I would like to thank to UBS and the whole faculty to give this experience to us.